Hey guys, this is Hriday from Rap and Shine, and today we've got a very special car, the BMW iX. This car is work in progress. You can see the PPF has been applied. This is done in the Avery Dennison Extreme PPF. As you can see, this comes with a 10-year warranty even for a white color vehicle. This PPF finish and feel is amazing. So in this iX we are applying the Avery Dennison Extreme PPF with the 10-year warranty, as well as all the glasses of this car are going to be protected with the super cool HIR series. Even the sunroof of this vehicle is going to be protected with the HIR series. So not only are we doing a complete PPF on this car, we are also doing sun films throughout the car. The sides of the car, the back, even the sunroof are going to be completed in our super cool HIR series sun films. If you don't know what these sun films are, you can come and check it out at Rap and Shine. These films have the highest heat rejection in India currently. And apart from that, what we're going to do is that you see the beautiful large instrument cluster. This is all going to be protected with the 9A screen guard that we're going to apply very soon. Hey guys, this is Hriday from Rap and Shine, and behind me is a very special car. It is the BMW iX. This iX is done in the Avery Dennison PPF. The Avery Dennison Extreme to be precise, which comes with a 10-year non-yellow warranty even for a white color vehicle. The fit and the finish you can see, you cannot see any cut creases or anything. We focus and work towards main finishing of the vehicle. That is the utmost importance to us here at Rap and Shine. Complete car is not only done in PPF, but also we've installed the super cool HIR sun films. The films are still a little hazy because they were applied about 15-20 minutes ago. So including the panoramic sunroof of this car, the front windshield and the side, complete car is now UV FPS protected. These films reject about 95% of the heat that comes into your cabin, and this was a must for a car like this. So as you can see that these films are completely light. They don't give you the darkness that you need, but they give you a lot of heat rejection that you require on a daily basis. Only thing pending from our end is this massive infotainment system cluster that you see. We're going to apply a protection film on this too. That's still on pending. We're going to do it in some time. Apart from that, even the sunroof of this car, like you can see from the inside, the sunroof, as you guys know, that this is a glaring sunroof basically. So this only becomes translucent and lucent. This normally has a heat rejection capacity of 50%, but the customer wanted more heat rejection, so we went ahead and got the sunroof done. The sun film done in the sunroof too, and you can see there's no visible difference. You can't make out whether the sun films applied or not. Looks like it is the season of EVs here at Rap and Shine. We've done the IM and now we've got the EV6 right there in for the matte PPF. If you have any queries regarding PPF, comment down. Reach out to us at Rap and Shine. Just find us on Google, follow us on Instagram. Stay tuned.